Welcome back. Now, in order to track the progress of the project, one thing we're going to do right away is we're going to star this project, so it'll appear here in the dashboard. And we're going to enter this project. And remember, we have a number of avenues that we can take in order to determine what's happened since we've last logged in. We can click the progress button. And what you'll notice is that we'll see all of the discussion and activity that has happened. Now, this can be a little cumbersome if you're trying to work through to trying to figure out exactly what has happened. So it's possible in some cases we may use the everything link, which will give us everything since the beginning of time for this project. Now, in some cases that might be necessary if we're trying to find or locate a specific file or document. One thing that gives us a visual sense of what has happened is we can take a look at the calendar view. And we can look here to find out what still needs to be done and possibly what we need to rearrange so that the project will go smoothly. Now, the easiest way to keep track of what's happened is the latest project update tab. And we can click select all updates. And again, we can see everything that's happened in a particular project. Now, to be precise, we can go inside of each task group and we can look at all of the to-dos that have been completed. And you'll see that here. Now, what we can do is follow up on any one of these items. We can click it, and even though it has been completed, we can write a comment that will be sent to other individuals. And we can change who the email is going to go to. We can include other people in that email and then click add this comment. So then what's going to happen is these individuals are going to get an email stating that we started a discussion item even though this item is technically completed. And finally, one thing that we can do when we log in is to scroll to the bottom of the to-do list, and then we can click on the 6 completed to-dos. And we can look at each one of them. And as we've seen, we can click each one of them to start a discussion. And we can send that email knowing that this individual is going to get a notification from Basecamp about our comment. Now, for some, the easiest way to manage things is to be able to see what's coming up next and then to make adjustments ahead of time. And so one of the ways to do that is to go to your upcoming events link, click all upcoming events, and what you want to do from here is you want to click the agenda view. The agenda view will give you at a glance all of the tasks that are going to be due as well as who needs to do them on specific days. And then what you can do, of course, is you can manage these as you see fit. And just a note, these items are not going to be draggable or droppable at this time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.